for the Dalai Lama to give a public talk on Friday, June 16th at the University of California, San Diego. And he will also be doing a commencement speech for our graduating students on Saturday, June 17th. And we're very excited for both of these events.